In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back to top button on your card website. This simple feature can greatly enhance the user experience by providing a convenient way for visitors to quickly return to the top of your webpage without having to scroll manually. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to bring this handy functionality to your site. First, you'll want to head over to card.so and open the website that you intend to edit. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific site where you want this feature to appear. It's important to have a clear idea of where you want to place the button on your page to ensure it complements your site's design and functionality. Next, you're going to add a button to your site. In Card's editing interface, look for the plus sign, typically located in the area where you can add new elements to your page. Click on that plus sign and then select Button from the menu of options. This will allow you to place a customizable button anywhere on your page. When it comes to labeling your button, you have a couple of choices. You could simply set the label to read back to top, which is straightforward and immediately lets users know what the button does. Alternatively, for a more visually engaging label, you might choose to use an emoji, such as the upward arrow or up pointing triangle, which can be inserted using the Windows key combined with the period key if you're on a Windows device. Either option works well, so choose the one that best matches your site's aesthetic and tone. After setting the label, you need to direct the button to function properly. In the link field of the button settings, enter the anchor tag named top. This snippet of code is crucial because it tells the button exactly where to send users when clicked, back to the top of your web page. Now let's talk about positioning your button. It's usually best to place it where it's easily accessible, yet doesn't interfere with your site's content or design. A common choice is the bottom right corner of the screen, although you may find other areas serve better, depending on your site's layout and user interface. Once you've set up your button and are satisfied with its position and label, click the Done button to save your changes. After that, it's time to publish your site to make the updates live for all your site visitors to use. And that's it, a simple yet powerful addition to your card website. By clicking this new button, your users will instantly return to the top of the page, improving their navigation experience and encouraging them to explore more of your content effortlessly. Make sure to test it out to ensure everything is working as expected, and enjoy the enhanced functionality on your site.